How to fix fast charging not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, enable fast charging. Again open settings. Scroll down. Click on battery. Scroll down. Click on charging settings. Here you will see fast charging, and if you want to enable fast charging, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, fast charging will be enabled from your phone. Now go back. After that, check charger. Now software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix fast charging not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.